President Moon Jae-in's ambitious vision to foster Korea's biohealth industry as a global leader. Making a visit to Osong, dubbed the heart of the country's biotechnology research, the president laid out plans while promising multi-billion-dollar support to further develop the biohealth sector.
Arirang's chief political correspondent Shin Se-min has our top story.
President Moon Jae-in says he's rolling up his sleeves to make the country's biohealth industry a global leader. Visiting Osong, Chungcheongbuk-do province, also known as the nation's heart of biotechnology research, President Moon announced his vision for cultivating the industry to account for 6% of the global market share and exports to hit $50 billion by 2030.
지금 우리에게는 바이오 헬스 세계 시장을 앞서갈 최적의 기회입니다. 멀지 않아 블록버스터급 국산 신약도 나올 것입니다. 제약과 생명공학 산업이 우리 경제를 이끌어갈 시대도 멀지 않았습니다.
Calling it a young industry, the president pressed the importance of R&D in the sector, saying that it will sway the success of the industry and the global market. He promised full governmental backing in churning out talent and technical skills.
정부 R&D를 2025년까지 연간 4조 원 이상으로 확대하고 스케일업 전용 펀드를 통해 향후 5년간 2조 원 이상을 바이오 헬스 분야에 투자하겠습니다.
The Scale Up Fund is aimed at raising the government's annual venture investment by $10 billion by 2022. President Moon added that the government will back the fostering of an innovative ecosystem by allowing SMEs and venture firms to develop their own technical skills and produce and release into the market. Most recently, Korea's push for upping its medical exports to the EU received backing by making it onto the pharmaceutical whitelist. The country is now being recognized as having medicine-related production and supervision standards on par with those of European member nations. The president's push for the industry is in line with his tour of regions, the 9th of such kind aimed at enhancing economic vitality on the local level. The sector is also being hailed as one of the 3 major pillars of new growth engines, the other 2 being non-memory chips and future cars. Shin Se-min, Arirang News.